Are you ready to cash out your earnings from the Robinhood app? Today I will guide you through the simple steps to withdraw money from your Robinhood account to your bank in 2025. Let's dive in. Open the app. Launch the Robinhood app on your device. Access your account. Tap on the person icon to select your account. Navigate to transfers. Click on the menu icon and select transfers. Initiate withdrawal. Choose transfer money and select the linked bank account you want to withdraw to. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount you wish to transfer and double check it. Confirm your withdrawal. Hit confirm to finalize the transaction. Withdrawals can only be cancelled if you act quickly or quickly before they are processed. If initiated between 2 a.m. and 3 p.m., you have until 3 p.m. on trading days to cancel. Your funds must settle before withdrawal, which typically takes 2 trading days after a sale. You can withdraw up to $50,000 per day, but keep in mind that there's a minimum transfer amount $0.01. Timing your withdrawals. Be aware of the timing for processing your withdrawals. Withdrawal submitted from Sunday at 10 p.m. GMT to Friday at 9:45 p.m. GMT. Process immediately. If you attempt withdrawals during weekdays or weekends, they will show as pending until processing resumes. Withdrawal money from Robinhood is straightforward, and when you follow these steps, just remember to check your available balance and keep track of processing times. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy investing!